Biofilm can be extremely difficult to remove once it has been established. Alpro's unique formula has been fully tested and both cleans and disinfects biofilm buildup. In this video, we will go over water testing, application of BRS for units with and without a water bottle system, and post-BRS protocol. Step 1. Fill a cup with a mixture of water coming from all water lines. Step 2. Just before use, turn the dip slide counterclockwise and remove it from the tube. Step 3. Dip the gel culture medium completely into the cup of collected water and keep it there for 10 seconds. Step 4. Remove the dip slide from the water and place it back in the tube. Step 5. Close the tube tightly. Step 6. Label the tube with the date when the sample was collected. Wrap the tube in a towel and place it in a warm spot with a minimum temperature of 25 degrees Celsius for the next 5 to 7 days. Always wear eye, face and hand protection when using the BRS system. If your dental unit is directly connected to the public water system, the biofilm removing process has to be performed by your trusted dental service technician. Step 1. Remove all removable instruments. Step 2. Mix 1 sachet of the pink BRS pre-cleaner powder with 2 litres of hot water. Make sure the powder is evenly dissolved in the water and the solution turns pink. Step 3. Reattach the bottle unit and run the pink solution through all the dental chair instrument lines and the spittoon by intermittent activation of the foot pedal. Start and stop motion. The process mechanically dislodges pieces of the biofilm from the walls of the dental tubs, while the solution itself chemically dissolves the biofilm. Continue until the pink liquid comes out and all the solution from the bottle is used up. All of the lines should feel very warm. Now all the lines are internally covered with the BRS pre-cleaner. Step 4. Leave the solution for 15 to 20 minutes. Step 5. Prepare the blue liquid BRS remover in the same way as previously prepared the BRS pre-cleaner. Step 6. Run the solution via the water lines, the same way as you did with the BRS pre-cleaner. Step 7. Leave inside for 20 minutes. Step 8. Flush out the residues of the BRS pre-cleaner and BRS remover from the bottle and clean the bottle internally with BC SAN or alternative cleaner. Step 9. Fill a clean bottle with warm, clean water and run the water through all hoses until all solutions are completely flushed out and the water looks clear. Step 10. Fill the bottle with 300 ml of Biofilm. Step 11. Run it through all the instruments until the blue solution comes out visibly. Stop at this stage and leave the solution inside all of the lines for a minimum of 12 hours or preferably over the weekend. Step 12. Upon returning, fill the bottle with water containing Alpron solution for daily decontamination or plain clean water. Remove the input filter and replace it with the new one. Run it through all the lines and the spittoon until all of the blue solution is completely out and the water looks clear. Step 13. Retest the water after 3 days. Step 14. If the CFU count is still too high, repeat the process. Once the water lines have been cleaned, disinfected, retested, and the bacterial count is below 200 CFUS per milliliter, it is time to introduce the daily decontamination and weekly intense disinfection. This is essential to slow the regrowth of biofilm. For the daily treatment of procedural water, the use of Alpron is recommended in the bottle care system. Pour the solution into the bottle care system and use it during the treatment. In order to stop the biofilm from quick regrowth in dental unit waterlines, it is essential to carry out a weekly disinfection of the lines. The weekly disinfection takes place overnight and uses the full-strength solution of Biofilm. Step 1. Pour 250 ml to 300 ml of full-strength Biofilm into the bottle care system. Step 2. Remove all instruments from the hoses. Run the solution through all the lines until you see blue colour coming out of the tubes. Step 3. Stop the process without rinsing with water and let the Biofilm settle inside the unit. Step 4. The solution can stay inside the waterlines for up to 3 months without the top-up. Step 5. Upon returning, flush out the waterlines with procedural water or Alpron mixture until the blue colouring from the Biofilm is no longer visible and the water comes out clear. Your dental system is now clean and free from biofilm. For more information, head to www.biodegree.com.au.